And it goes a little something like.
Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Guys, we are here in New Zealand. Kia ora whanau.
Welcome to
Tamaki Mikoto. Guys, don't come for me in the comment section. Because Tuxx said I'm not saying it right. Guys, we're here.
Okay.
I am so excited. It's been a really long day, to be honest. I'm so exhausted. We did a long layover in Brisbane.
Yeah.
6 hours, fam. We flew to Brisbane, waited for 6 hours, did our COVID test, all of that. Then we went in, caught our flight. That was 3 hours. And now we are finally in New Zealand and we have to wait another 12 hours.
I think all up we've like slept for maybe half an hour. Like,
on the plane ride was good, but oh my gosh, I was uncomfortable. Honey, my head was doing this. I was doing ugly sleeping, guys. I was doing the
actual.
and this guy said, you're sad.
I started doing that.
He watches me do that and he laughs at me. He doesn't wake me up or like put my head on his shoulder. He literally like laughs at me.
But I was doing the same thing on the way here to Auckland, bro. I was like, bro, why didn't you save me?
Why would I save him? I was sleeping.
I was like my arms are folded.
Guys, how can I save him when I myself
bro,
was
and
sleeping?
then there was one point I was doing these ones and I like, you know, you're too tired. And I'm like, but anyway, so we touched down here. Just running through it real quick. It's a lot of like hassle traveling right now. We are fortunate to be able to travel, but it's so like does your head in, bro. Like actual does your head in. You do all these whatever it was. But anyways, we touched down. Cesa's got her sim on.
I got my sim.
Boom.
We're only here for 12 hours.
12 hours, fam.
We're actually here. We weren't gonna come out, but then they kicked us out.
Yep.
They told us we had to pick up our luggage and then recheck back in.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay, we might as well just go see Ria. So we are waiting for Ria, and maybe Jay's coming too. And then we're gonna go for dinner. Hopefully we can go for dinner.
Yeah.
Because it's late.
Late.
It's like 10:39.
Hey fam, we're excited to be here. I hope you guys are excited to be here. If you haven't already, push that subscribe button. If you're new, welcome to the TNS family.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. And guys, this is just the beginning of our trip. We haven't even told them.
We're on a mission, but we've got plenty of time to tell you.
Yes, we will talk about it after we see Ria. Bye. Welcome us into the country, please.
Kia ora koutou, kia ora tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Ria toku ingoa, ko Sera toku sister, ko Tuxx toku brother-in-law, and ko Okilangi toku aho, toku whare, Manurewa toku whare, and in New Zealand toku waka.
I feel the mana. I feel the mana.
Kia ora whanau. Okay, fam, so we're with my sister. Are you gonna take us to dinner? Cause like,
well, the only place that's open is Denny's.
I wanna go Denny's.
That's what everyone's saying.
Yes.
Everyone said go Denny's. Guys, Ria's gonna take us to Denny's. Are we gonna pick up Jay?
Yeah, so we're gonna meet him at the hotel because
sis, we don't really need one. What a waste, honest.
Excuse me, none of your guys' rules apply when you guys come to
Oh my gosh. I cannot with this girl. Okay, we'll be back, guys, okay?
Jenny's. Denny's.
Guys.
Yeah.
What world is this?
That's how it goes down. You see that? You see that? That's the grand entrance right there. Thank you very much. Family.
We made it to little Abners. Abners?
Little Abners.
Guys, shout out to Fraser.
Fraser.
I only know this place because of Fraser. He was like here in New Zealand not long ago, and he was here literally every single day. I saw on his Instagram.
Every single day.
I'm over exaggerating every single day. But also shout out to everyone that gave us this recommendation of coming to Little Abners on Instagram. They were telling us to come here. Bro, I look like a hot mess, but yeah. Acho, do you want anything?
Not the old Street Fighter.
We're closing soon. We just have chicken and chips.
Oh.
Sorry about that. We're closing in 10-15 minutes.
You're okay.
Oh
Guys.
man, boring. But toy. Yeah, chicken and chips.
So not 24/7?
We will see you next time, Little Abners.
Okay guys, Rhea swears down that this is like
Proper.
she swore down on her life.
Yeah.
The kapiti ice cream is the best ice cream in New Zealand. So it's like a magnum.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Look at the crunch.
I can really taste that for no. Yep. Grass-fed milk. It's organic. Yep. Bro, literally that chocolate is perfecting.
That chocolate
Now that chocolate.
better than Cadbury.
Better.
Guys, must try kapiti. They have other flavors, Area.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
They have other flavors. Must try. I rate this ambassador.
B.
V ambassador. 9.
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
Yeah, 9. Right up there.
What do you rate it, Jay?
9.5.
9.5. Of course, real. What do you rate it? About a 5? Kia ora everyone. It's the morning of, and we have checked out. Bruh, my sister literally got us a hotel room just to be in there for like, what? Less than 2 hours. Oh my gosh. We didn't get back till like really late. And then we just all went to sleep. We said bye to the bro Jay. Jay had to go to back home because he had his sister's car, so he had to go take that home. We're in my sister's work car, so she's gonna drop us off to the airport. But thank God that this hotel is right next to the airport, so it's like literally like a 2-minute ride. We're catching the last and final flight for our destination. Thanks, Riri. We love you so much. Shout out to Jay and Riri for just hosting us while we were being here. And we will see them when we come back. And thank you for letting us be tourists of Auckland. We've seen a lot, learned a lot. But we'll be back. We will be back. Thanks to see you. All good. Okay fam, so we just got to our gate and I think we're gonna be boarding in a few minutes, but guys, of course this guy has to buy the one thing he's been dying to buy for a few years now. If you remember in our in our Samoa vlog, we had 2 GoPros, and our recent one, the Hero 4, it was a silver one, and it got water got inside it, and he was so shattered. So we went and bought him a GoPro 10. We didn't have time to buy it back in Melbourne, but we just like bought it here in.
Bring the camera, like, bro, we had no time to do nothing, bro. We realized there was so many things we were just missing.
Bruh, and we were looking at our clothes that we packed. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Anyways, he's gonna open it. But we're gonna end our vlog here and start our next vlog. So please stay tuned because we're on our way to Kukaman in Rarotonga. Stay tuned for, it's like a sad moment, like a bittersweet moment, but I'm excited. It's my first time there, but I'm also sad for my husband.
We're sad for Sera to see Rarotonga finally, because we're always going to Samoa, so thank God we've got the opportunity and fortunate enough to make it over there.
Okay fam, we love you, we'll see you guys soon.
Shout out to you fam, let's go.
Remember guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Are you fucking right? Channel.